Hey everybody, so today I'm going to do a test that hasn't been done before. This is going to be on the Mavic 2 Pro drone, and the manufacturer states that this drone can fly 45 miles an hour, but I'm going to see how this drone performs today at 70 miles per hour. So let's get started. Okay, so currently I have the Mavic. It's being held out the window. Current speed's 38. We're going to see how far we can push this. And I don't know how the footage is coming out. I do know it's recording because the backlights are off, which indicates that recording is on. Currently no traffic on the map, so road conditions seem pretty clear. So far holding up pretty good. Just praying that I don't drop this thing. Oh Lord, please don't let me drop my drone out the car window. I have no idea how the footage is coming out. I hope it's smooth, but I'll only be able to tell once I pull over and check it out. I'm giving the drone a little bit of a downward nose angle, downward forward pitch attitude or something, because I think that's the way it would naturally fly. I'm gonna wait till I get to another highway. This one's a little congested. So far, I think it's holding up pretty good. I'm holding on pretty tight. Alright, we're at 70. Try a little bit of like side angle now, see how it performs. Alright, back to front angle. Alright, traffic starting, so I think this concludes our test.